it comes out nice and flat. Perfect. There's no cupping or anything when you do it that way. I think I'll
Nice.
just do them in half like that. And then I can plane them down too. Sometimes I drive a line along the top to follow, but
So that style of fence is called a point fence for resawing.
yeah, point fence. Or just go like this just to refer to something.
Yeah.
Margin gain.
Yep. That gives you the flexibility to steer the board.
Yeah, so you can steer it back and forth this way.
Yeah.
But you can't do it when it's a regular fence.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks for doing that.
Yeah, sure, man. It's a really nice tool. It's my favorite thing to do on a bandsaw.